Want to make your audio sound more cleaner and reduce all the background noises? Well, in this video, let's learn how to reduce noise in Audacity. First up, launch your Audacity and import any file you want. Once you've imported, you can either drag the audio to select specific part of it or double click on it. After that, go to Effects, Noise Removal and Repair and click on Noise Reduction. Here, you're given with various options. Noise reduction, its sensitivity, and frequency smoothing. You can adjust the settings as you want. Make it go all the way high or down. It's your choice. After you're done, click OK. And once you've done that, you can already see the changes in the waveform. You can preview it by just pressing spacebar. And there you have it. Your noise has been reduced and your audio sounds much cleaner. That's it. Hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like and subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.